Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to make a backup of your Mac. So first connect the hard drive that you want to make the backup of your Mac in. Now once it shows up here, you have to make it as a time machine on your Mac. So to do that, open System Preferences, then over here click on Time Machine. Now as you can see, I already have Aryan HDD set up as a time machine, and the hard disk that I have connected right now is Atul's HDD. Now to make Atul's HDD as the new time machine, click on select disk. Now over here under available disks, you'll see your hard drive. Click on the hard drive that you want to make as your time machine, and then click on use disk. So the final step to make a hard drive a time machine is to completely erase it. So your Mac will ask if you want to erase the hard drive that you want to use as a time machine. Once you click on erase, your hard drive will be completely erased, and then it will be converted to a time machine. So once it is converted as a time machine, you can make backups of your Mac on it, and you can also store additional data on it. So that is how you make a backup of your Mac. Thank you.